Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 6 of hybrid zoology. This week, we're going to be wrapping up our evolution unit and shifting our focus from evolution in a broad sense to evolution of animals. We're going to be looking at the evolutionary history of animals, and we'll also be introducing the characteristics of the different animal phyla. So just some announcements for this week. The schedule for this week has been changed because of the Professional Development Day on the 23rd. DEFG classes, we will meet on Thursday instead for Cohort B. Cohort A, you will be receiving assignments on Thursday this week instead of Friday. You get the day off Friday. As always, the expectation is that you take notes as you watch videos on Edpuzzle. You can print them out and handwrite them, or you may make a copy of the document and type them. But the expectation is that you do take notes when you watch these Edpuzzle videos, especially as we're moving away from all the review stuff on evolution and getting into new stuff specific to animals. It's going to be really important that you take notes. Progress reports go out Friday. Please check iPass. It is nearly up to date, but just make sure that you aren't missing any assignments. The objectives for this week are that you are going to be analyzing data in order to explain the emergence of the different animal phyla during the Cambrian explosion. And so we'll be evaluating some data in order to make claims as to what caused the Cambrian explosion. And then students will explain some of the characteristics of different animal phyla and use these criteria to classify animals into phyla. All right. So we have short agendas for this week. Today, Wednesday the 21st, is quiz day. So before you come to the quiz, read through this agenda for the week. There's the morning Zoom meeting at 9:50 to review for the quiz. And there will be an afternoon Zoom meeting between 11 and 12 p.m. to actually take the quiz. If you can't make it to this meeting, you need to let me know. It's like at the latest during this morning Zoom meeting. You need to be there to take the quiz. But that's the only work you have today. Once you take the quiz, you are done with zoology work for the day. For your remote work, this week you're going to be watching the Edpuzzle video on the introduction to the different animal phyla, and you'll be taking notes. And then there's an activity in which you're going to use some of the different characteristics of the different animal phyla in order to identify mystery animals into the correct phyla. And in class, we're going to do an activity on the Cambrian explosion. If you have any questions on any of this stuff, please remember that you are always free to send me an email. Good luck this week, and happy studying for the quiz.